TunesKit iPhone Unlocker is a simple-to-operate utility to remove screen passcodes for iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch on Windows and Mac. No matter how your device is disabled or locked, and what type of screen locks it is. Next, I'll show you the key features and how to use it. Part 1. TunesKit iPhone Unlocker Key Features. 1. Unlock iOS devices with the highest success rate. 2. Unlock different types of locks including 4-digit or 6-digit passcode, Touch ID, and Face ID, etc. 3. Factory reset iOS devices without passcode or iTunes. 4. Bypass iPhone password in various scenarios, like second-hand iDevice, broken screen, multiple wrong attempts, etc. 5. Fully compatible with all iOS devices and systems. 6. The program is easy to use, and designed with an intuitive interface. Part 2. How to use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. Step 1. Launch TunesKit and connect iPhone to computer. First, run TunesKit iPhone Unlocker on your PC. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Next, click the Start on the program and it will automatically detect your device model. Step 2. Put iPhone into DFU or recovery mode. If your device fails to be detected, you need to put your iPhone into DFU or recovery mode manually and make it recognized. Just follow the instructions on TunesKit interface to boot your device into DFU or recovery mode. Step 3. Confirm device information and download firmware package. If TunesKit recognized your iOS model successfully, you're now able to confirm your iOS device info such as model version, iOS version, etc. If there is something wrong, just correct it manually. Next, select the firmware version and click the Download button. Step 4. Start to remove locked screen on iPhone. Wait a while until the firmware package is downloaded successfully. Now click the Unlock button to unlock iPhone passcode. A few minutes later, your iOS device screen lock will be successfully unlocked.